My name is Zelkind. I run our agronomy team as well as our data science and analytics teams. And really what we try to accomplish is to take all the data that we capture about our growing process, tie that to the real experience of the plant, and use that so we can learn faster and faster what do plants actually need to grow, and how do we create this optimal system to really let plants do what they want. In my function, what we're trying to figure out is really how can we break down our inputs of our system so we can understand what the plant really needs in order to grow as fast and unconstrained as it can, so that you're creating stress purposefully, but not by accident, and really allowing the plant to grow as fast as it can. The way we go about doing that is by running basically multi-arm bandit trials at scale. And so we will have a hypothesis and we will run kind of laddered iterations and simultaneously evaluate those crops to determine whether our hypotheses are correct and really to what extent they are. One of the things we spend a lot of time on is understanding, if you don't start the plant off right, no matter what you do down the line, it can only get you so far. And so as we've gone through, when we hit local maxima, we require ourselves to reevaluate our premise. And in this case, we wanted to start all the way back with the seed. Started looking for technologies to see if we could actually accelerate kind of the quality and the growth itself of our crops at an early stage. So after running our trials, we found that the Zelkind treatment process actually made a significant impact on our trickier crops, really elevating the germination percentage in a number of our kind of more challenging areas, as well as just kind of helping us stabilize consistency across the high performers. ActivatedAir has had a couple of impacts on our business. On a tactical level, it allows us to reduce our overseed rate. It allows us to be more efficient with our processes, utilize space more effectively, right? And really ensure that we're not wasting either materials or labor in our early processes until we can get the crop into the grow zone and really let it run. After getting kind of really good data in our trial process, we now see ActivatedAir and seed priming as one of the tools in our toolkit as we start to evaluate additional crops to grow. Part of our mandate is we'll continue to grow more and more crops, continue to put up more and more facilities. And we see this now as a part of our process that helps us determine what crops can make that threshold to really be effective in this format.